You can cancel your subscription. If you want to cancel, for example, you subscribe to someone, then you want to cancel. So do this one. Follow this tutorial, okay? So from your profile in Facebook, guys, just go to your profile and go to orders and payment. Yes, take note. You need to follow on this instruction so that you can cancel those followers or your friend that you want to cancel. For example, go to order and payment. Guys, you can see the subscription. Okay, click on that subscription. So from there, guys, you can see the active subscription that you have, and you can see also the inactive in down of that option. Okay, so for example, Rinky. Okay, I will click to Rinky. If in case I will not continue to subscribe on her subscription, so just click only cancel subscription. Okay, so if you want also to update the payment, you can do by update the payment method and enter the card information. So that's it, guys. It's very easy. Yeah, so guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.